In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a deposit on Pocket Option through your dashboard. Whether you're new to Pocket Option or just need a refresher, this guide will help you smoothly and confidently navigate the deposit process. First, ensure that you're logged into your Pocket Option account and looking at your dashboard. You'll find everything you need to manage your trading activities here, but today, we're focusing specifically on making a deposit. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile icon, typically represented by a picture. This is your go-to location for accessing various account settings and actions, including deposits. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, locate and select the deposit option. This will direct you to the deposit interface where you can choose how you'd like to fund your account. Now, when it comes to choosing a payment method, it's important to select the one that best fits your needs. You'll see a variety of available options, which may include popular choices like credit or debit cards, bank transfers, and possibly other online payment platforms. Take a moment to consider your preferences and financial setup, then click on your desired payment method. Next, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to deposit into your account. Consider carefully how much you want to fund your account with, keeping in mind your trading goals and budget. Depositing an appropriate amount is crucial in managing your risk and ensuring a comfortable trading experience. Simply type in the amount on the provided field. Once you've entered your chosen deposit amount, look toward the right side of your screen. It's time to finalize your deposit by confirming the details. Double-check everything to make sure your payment method and amount are correct. When you're ready, go ahead and confirm the transaction, and there you have it, a successfully initiated deposit on your Pocket Option account. If you encounter any issues during the process or don't see the funds appear in your account right away, don't worry. Sometimes it might take a short while for transactions to reflect, especially if you're using particular payment methods. However, if there's a delay or you have concerns, reaching out to Pocket Option customer support can be a helpful way to resolve any issues. That's it for our step-by-step guide on depositing funds into your Pocket Option account. I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and easy to understand. With this knowledge, you're now ready to efficiently manage your account and enjoy trading with Pocket Option. Thank you for watching and happy trading.